So, hey, y'all, today is all about my boys. I hope y'all enjoyed meeting Henry. Now I got one of the next generation of boys with me. My son Bobby. Wasn't Henry cute?
Oh, he's the best. Well, no, let's see, how many of them are there?
It's
There's 5.
6.
He's one of the best.
No, he's 6.
6?
Bennett has come on the
Man,
scene.
he's a good kid.
Oh, yeah, he doesn't say a word.
Bennett? No, not yet.
Bennett doesn't say a word. He ain't bothering
Henry's
nobody. But Henry is, he can come out with the most incredible things once he starts talking. And I hope he'll get more comfortable in front of the camera because Henry can be very, very entertaining.
Yeah.
He has his papa and I just dying laughing.
The whole family, we're just loaded with
I
talent.
know. We all went over, we kind of wrapping up the holidays at our house. Christmas, we really extended Christmas a little past Christmas. And we went to Jamie's Saturday night.
Oh, yeah.
To have dinner. Jamie made
so much fun.
I know. Jamie made a pot of chili. And we had so much fun. When we got there, Mathew decided that he was going to put on a show. And he was going to charge for it. So admission was $2 a piece.
Overpriced.
Yeah, it was a little overpriced. But in their stocking, I had given him these soft things that you throw against glass, and one of them is an egg, one is a tomato.
They're fake eggs, fake tomatoes, and you throw them against windows, and it's like it splats, but
yes,
it's just
it just
rubber,
splats.
and it's hilarious.
Uh-huh.
It's perfect for a kid who's putting on a show if you've got tomatoes that you can throw at him that won't hurt him.
Well,
so we threw tomatoes and eggs
he's
at him.
Uncle Bobby and I.
Got to introduce him to the real world. It ain't easy, kid.
Started throwing tomatoes and eggs at him.
He got mad.
And he got the funniest look on his face, like he was fixing to cry. And then all of a sudden, it turned to madness. And
it was hilarious.
The look on his face was hilarious.
Yeah, but all kids.
He had a guitar. He was playing the guitar, and he told Mims, he said, "Well, I'm out of musical instruments, so you're gonna have to play the chainsaw." So she was trying to play the chainsaw to Jingle Bells.
Don't you need to clarify? It's not a real chainsaw.
Oh no, it was his toy chainsaw. And then he had Mims playing the chainsaw, and then he had Aunt Claudia come in and sing along with them. So there was 3 of them doing this show.
Quality entertainment.
Yes. But that little booger had $16 at the end of his show, so he did pretty good.
So much fun.
The space that you live in really affects the way you feel. So my first recommendation is start by updating your window treatments with Smith & Noble. Smith & Noble's beautiful handcrafted blinds, drapes, shades, and shutters are custom made just for you, and they offer different service options to fit your needs. To get started today, contact Smith & Noble to get my special limited time offer, 25% off on your window treatments, plus free design consultation. Create a space that you're gonna love. For details about my special offer, go to smithandnoble.com/Paula. That's smithandnoble.com/Paula, or call 1-800-659-3300. That's 1-800-659-3300. Okay, we're back, y'all. Let's see if Bobby's collected his thoughts now. All right, you ready, son?
I'm ready.
Okay. Tell us about your holiday.
So, Cloud's parents, my wife's parents, live in Panama City, Panama. And what we've always done is we spend Christmas with my family, and then we'll do New Year's with Cloud's family. And we always go to someplace interesting and fun, and someplace that they've never been. And
but they spent Christmas with us this year, and
right.
I was glad.
This year was a little unusual.
Yes, I was happy.
They were in the States for Christmas, and so we got to spend Christmas together, and we got to spend New Year's together, and it was really great because I get to see them. First of all, my wife's parents they're awesome people.
They're just the neatest folks.
They're fun and funny and interesting.
Beautiful. They appear to still be so young.
Yeah.
So it was. I just thought it was great because we had Brooke's parents with us. We had your in-laws with us. So I love it. When we can all be together as a family, and you're not having to run here, and Jamie's not having to run there. You know, we all just had a nice long day together.
Yeah.
So it was wonderful.
It was a eclectic mix of people, and her parents fit right in with our group because they're fun and they're funny and they got a good sense of humor and they like food and. If you have those qualities, then you can fit in with our family.
Yeah. You know, we're kind of tired of ham and turkey at our house, so I always cook beef for Christmas.
Yes, you did. A side of beef.
I know. You know, son, I got scared, and I bought like
How many tenderloins did you have?
5. And I spent between $500 and $700 for 5 tenderloins. And, you know, I never know how many people's going to be there. And I almost had to take out a second mortgage for all those tenderloins I bought.
And there was leftovers, right?
Oh, my gosh, yes.
Yeah.
So I decided at the last minute, well, I'll only cook 4. And we still had 1.5 tenderloins left over.
Man.
And, you know, tenderloins are expensive. I mean, you want to cook just enough. But, yeah, I kind of overdid it.
They were good, though. I overdid it, too.
I know. Michael was passing out tenderloin as everybody left. And I had made...
have a tenderloin.
Yes.
A whole one.
Yes. And my banana trees really made bananas this year, just beautiful bananas. And they're bananas that are about this big, y'all. And they just taste so different from a grocery store banana. So I spent one afternoon making nothing but banana nut bread. And so I had it.
Oh, man, was it good, too. One of them ended up at my house.
Yes.
And you should have seen, ask Cloud about the banana nut bread.
What?
She lit into it.
Oh, she did.
And ate most of it.
I did.
I only got a little bit.
But I had them in pretty little sacks, Christmas sacks, and
so good.
asked everybody as they were leaving to take one. So they had banana nut bread and tenderloin as party favors as they were leaving.
So good. I love a Christmas or a Thanksgiving meal at your house, or Easter, or any Sunday, or any Monday, or any Wednesday.
I do too, son. And I just love having everybody there because it really is about family and friends and good food.
Last night was French onion soup.
Yes, last night I made a pot of French onion soup, and it was incredible, wasn't it? So rich. And I'll have to make French onion soup on Positively Paula one day because I found one filet mignon, little steak that I had in the freezer. So I took it out and I diced it up because I like just a little protein down in the bottom of my bowl of soup. So when you take a bite of that onion, you got a little bite of filet mignon. It really was good. Man, it was good. And I topped it with Eddie bread. Eddie bread is the homemade bread that Eddie, my assistant, makes. And, I toasted Eddie bread and put on top of all 5 kinds of cheeses. It was so good. I'm going to make that on Positively Paula one day.
You should have Eddie come on the show with you and have him bake bread and you do the French onion soup.
I know. That's a great idea.
Yeah. It's good to be with you today.
It's good to be with you too, my darling. I love you so much, Sonny boy.
Love you too. And
we send y'all a whole bunch of love and best dishes out there to y'all.
And tenderloins.
Thanks for joining us today.
Come by the house, tenderloins.
Yes. Come eat.
The space that you live in really affects the way you feel.
So my first recommendation is start by updating your window treatments with Smith & Noble. Smith & Noble's beautiful handcrafted blinds, drapes, shades, and shutters are custom made just for you, and they offer different service options to fit your needs. To get started today, contact Smith & Noble to get my special limited time offer, 25% off on your window treatments, plus free design consultation. Create a space that you're gonna love. For details about my special offer, go to smithandnoble.com/Paula. That's smithandnoble.com/Paula, or call 1-800-659-3300. That's 1-800-659-3300.